So we're now at the final stage, most difficult stage. When you're arranging, we're about to deliver personalized gifts. You have to be very careful. You have to work with a list. You have to work with a team. So we're just about rounding up. These are our tote bags packed with their snacks. You can see, yummy, yummy, yummy. This is for Janelle with all the appliques on it. And also for the boys, tote bags as well with their edibles. And then for another set of children, remember I mentioned that we have different gifts for different categories. So these are the bag charms for some of the children. Can you spell the name? Can you see? So they're just going to attach it to their bags. Can you see? Right? So we have different charms, and we're going to be packing these as well with the edible gifts and the snacks. So guys, see the huge box over there. Shipping off to Worry shortly. We've to meet up for Children's Day. Today is the 25th. Children's Day is in 2 days, so we're rushing to ensure that those items get to Worry by tomorrow morning. So if you're interested in personalized items for children, for adults, for anybody, talk to the best. Printable by Carefree.